It's a special edition of Traders Unplugged. Alan Nuckman and James Romali are standing by to answer your questions. Hello, and here we go with what our viewers want to know. Topic number one, Penny, for your thoughts. Is it a good idea for new investors to invest in penny stocks?
I don't think so because they're not very liquid. Just because they're cheap doesn't mean that you have lower risk. It's not about what you trade, it's how you trade. It's about having a certain small percentage of your account at risk on each and every trade, regardless of the asset class. But they're not liquid, they're not easy to get in and out of, so it can lead to trouble.
I completely agree with Alan. Penny stocks is a very hard game. Commissions are a really big challenge for a retail trader, especially one that's just starting out. And with penny stocks, your commissions are going to represent a very large portion of your initial capital outlay. It's going to be expensive to get in, expensive to get out. Penny stocks is a tough game.
Institutional investors don't trade those either, so that hurts you.
Topic number two, face up or face down. Where do we go from here with Facebook after it actually finally cleared its IPO price this year?
Right, so Facebook clears its IPO price. You might expect some people to run to the exits that have been in the stock for a long time, have been taking pain for a long time. We're not really seeing that happen. However, they're starting to unlock this mobile space. They're starting to gain more revenues from that. I think if they're able to continue to do that, there's a lot of growth potential for Facebook.
That's an epic comeback. If you can look at it technically and not think about it too much, that $20 move off that lows, tack it onto that $38 price, that puts a price objective of 58. There's still a lot of upside, and the Nasdaq's been extremely strong all year long.
Topic number three, priceless. What stock could be the next Priceline or Tesla? Those stocks have been hot this year.
I got it. Soda. The future is water. I know that's silly. People said that 10 years ago, we're going to bottle water and charge more than we do for Coke. But the reality is that the fizzy water, the soda machines are a revolution now. You can make your soda on your own or make that fizzy water on your own. And if you look at the stock, it went from 30 to 80. That's the next new momentum stock.
Right, I actually completely agree with that. I think soda is a great pick, but let's not act like the move in Tesla and Priceline is over with. I think those stocks still have a lot of potential for more upside here. Tesla is a growth stock, can still head higher, and I think SodaStream is a good
and
play
momentum
as well.
stocks, you know them when you see them, so that's what you want to watch for. You don't pay attention to what's going on with the fundamentals. You can see it on the chart. You want to jump on board and take a piece out of a high probability move.
Here's your bonus round question, also coming from our viewer. Name the first business to list on the New York Stock Exchange. Was it a mining company, a bank, or an oil company?
Railroad.
That wasn't one of the choices. Mining.
Oil.
Bank of New York. Thanks so much, guys.
Come on.
And a huge thank you to our viewers. First Business continues right after this. Thanks again.